1001 Solve Problems in Engineering Mathematics, Day 4, number 141 to 145. So this is all about age problems. Okay, so let's start. Number 141. Yan, so niretype ko na lang at medyo malabo yung kopya. 141. Mary is 24 years old. Mary is twice as old as Anne was when Mary was as old as Anne is now. How old is Anne now? Okay, so medyo nakakalito itong problem na ito. So i-analyze natin word by word para mabuo natin ang equation natin. So usually kapag age problem ay pinakamadaling way ay gagawa tayo dito ng table. Okay? So gawa tayo ng table. So ilalagay natin sa table ay yung name nila. So we have Mary and then sa baba ay si Anne. Okay, so tapos sabi dito, Mary is 24 years old. So ito yung age ni Mary. Age ni Mary now ito. So, tas meron dito nakalagay na Mary is twice as old as Anne was. Ayan, yung ano natin was. When Mary was as old as Anne is now. How old is Anne now? So age ni Anne now ang hinahanap natin. So ang ilalagay natin dito ay yung past tsaka yung present. Okay? So yung column natin, past and present. Okay, so ito yung table natin. So meron tayong past tsaka present. So yan. So given natin, so mag-start tayo sa given. Mary is 24 years old. So ito yung age ni Mary at present. So 24, ilalagay natin dito ang 24. Okay, and then sabi, Mary is twice as old as Anne. So si Mary daw, Mary is twice as old as Anne was when Mary was as old as Anne is now. So Mary daw, so ito si Mary, so nandito yan sa past. Mary is twice as old as Anne. Twice as old as Anne was when Mary. So paano natin ilalagay yung when Mary was as old? So paano itong was as old as Anne is now? As old as Anne is now. So ibig sabihin, ito si Anne, yung present age ni Anne ay X, ilet natin na X. Tapos si Mary, yung past niya ay magiging X din ito. So bakit naging parehas X ito? Kasi ang sabi, Mary is twice as old as Anne was when Mary, so ito yun, as old as Anne was when Mary was as old as Anne is now. So yung present age ni Anne now, tapos yung past na age naman ni Mary. Okay? So tapos ano ang age, ang past age ni Anne? So ang past age ni Anne ay magiging kalahati nitong 24. Kasi Mary is twice as old as Anne. Yan. So Mary daw is twice as old as Anne was when Mary was as old as Anne is now. So ang age ni Anne nung past ay 12. Okay? So dito manggagaling ang ating equation. So ulitin natin. Paano nakuha yan? Mary is 24 years old. So yun yung present. Lagay natin sa present. Ang age ni Mary ay 24. And then, Mary is twice as old as Anne. So Mary, si Mary daw ay twice as old as Anne was. Yun, Mary is twice as old as Anne was. So kaya ilalagay natin, so si Mary daw twice as old. Yung present ni Mary ay 24, twice as old as Anne was. So yung age ni Anne dito ay 12. So si Mary 24, si Anne ay 12 dahil ang sabi nga ay twice. So 24, si Mary, ulitin natin, si Anne ay 12. And then sabi naman dito, when Mary was as old as Anne is now. So when Mary was as old as Anne is now. So parehas ito. Gawa na itong word natin dito na as old as. As old as Anne is now. So parehas na X ito. So ngayon meron na tayong table. Paano naman natin bubuuin ang ating equation? Ang tinatanong, how old is Anne? How old is Anne now? So ito na yung tinatanong natin dyan. Just solve for X. So to solve for X, pag sinubtract dapat natin yung present tsaka sa past, pag sinubtract natin yan, constant ang kakalabasan yan. Kasi syempre, kung yung age nila dyan, mag-a-add tayo ng parehas na constant dyan simula sa past tsaka papuntang present. Okay? Halimbawa, sa past sila ay 3 at 6, yung magiging present nila, parehas dapat yung i-add na natin. Halimbawa, yung present natin ay 10 si Mary. So, syempre, yung present dito, nag-add tayo ng 7 dito. Kailangan mag-add din tayo ng 7 dito, 13. Okay? So, kailangan yung difference ng present sa past equal dapat yan. Okay? So, therefore, ang magiging equation natin ay 24 minus x. Isasubtract lang natin yung present minus natin yung past. So, 24 minus x ay equal yan sa x minus yung past ay 12. Then just solve for x. So solve for x, pagsamahin natin yung x, so lipat natin to dito or add x to both sides. Add x to both sides. So therefore we have 24 is equal to x plus x, that is 2x minus 12, and then add 12 to both sides, x dapat ang matira. So add 12 to both sides. So we have 24 plus 12, that is equal to 36 equals 2x, and then finally divide both sides by 2. So therefore, ang value ng x ay 36 divided by 2, that is equal to 18. So therefore, ang age ni Ann now ay 18, which is letter B. Okay, so next number, number 142. So the sum of Kim's and Kevin's ages is 18. In 3 years, Kim will be twice as old as Kevin. What are their ages now? Okay, so gawa ulit tayo ng table. Ang ilalagay natin sa table ay yung pangalan lang nila. So we have Kevin, and then, so yan, Kim and Kevin. So Kevin and Kim. So tapos ilalagay natin kung ano yung given dyan. Ang lalagay lang naman natin dyan, past, present, or future. So ang sabi dito, the sum of Kim's and Kevin's ages is 18. So ito yung present ito. Okay, so lagay natin dito present. So tapos, so maglagay tayo ng variable kay Kevin and Kim. So lagay na lang natin x si Kevin and then si Kim ay y. Okay, so in 3 years. So in 3 years, so ibig sabihin ito yung future. Okay? So future in 3 years, so mag-add lang tayo ng 3 sa present ages ni Kevin at ni Kim. So sa future, si Kevin ay x plus 3 and then si Kim naman ay magiging y plus 3. Then buuin na natin ang equation natin. So ang sabi dito, the sum of Kim's and Kevin's ages is 18. So ito yon sa present age nila, ang equation number 1 natin, x plus y equals 18. Kasi ang sabi, ang sum daw, the sum of Kim's and Kevin's ages is 18. Okay, so next naman, dito naman tayo sa future. In 3 years, so lagyan natin muna ito ng equation number 1. In 3 years, so dito tayo titingin sa future, dito sa may plus 3. Kim, ayan, so si Kim daw, so nasan ba si Kim dito? Y plus 3 yun. So y plus 3, yan yung age ni Kim. Kim will be, so yan, yung will be, ibig sabihin yan equals. Kim, ito yung age ni Kim, y plus 3, will be, that is equals twice as old. So twice as old, ibig sabihin nakamultiply sa 2. Twice as old as Kevin. So twice as old as Kevin, so age ni Kevin sa future. So age ni Kevin sa future, that is x plus 3. So ang tanong, what are their ages now? So ang ages now, ang hinahanap natin ay x at y. So therefore, magkakaroon lang tayo ng system of equation dito. Solve lang natin ang x and y. So pinakamadaling way para sagutan ito ay by substitution na lang. Okay, so substitution, solve for x or y tayo dito sa equation number 1. So y na lang ay solve ko. So lipat lang natin yung x sa other side. So therefore, y is equal to 18 minus x. Okay, and then itong 18 minus x, i-substitute lang natin dito sa value ng y. So palitan lang natin itong y na itong, yan, so itong 18 minus x. Okay, so dito ko isulat para malaki yung space natin. So itong y, palitan lang natin itong 18 minus x. So we have 18 minus x, copy the rest. So we have plus 3 equals 2 times x plus 3. And then just solve for x. Since in terms of x na lang ito, so solve lang natin ng x. So itong 2 i-distribute natin, tapos i-combine natin itong 18 tsaka 3. So 18 plus 3, that is equal to 21 minus x equals, distribute 2 times x, we have 2x. 2 times positive 3, that is equal to positive 6. Pagsamahin ng x, so add x to both sides. Add x to both sides at the same time. Itong 6, subtract 6 to both sides na tayo. So subtract 6 to both sides. So therefore, we have 21 minus 6. That is equal to 15 equals 2x plus x, that is equal to 3x, and then divide both sides by 3 para x ang matira. So therefore, the value of x is 15 divided by 3, that is equal to 5. Ang age ni Kevin ay 5. So pwede nang hindi isolve dahil meron na tayong value dito. Ang sagot natin ay B, 5 and 13. So pag sinubstitute natin itong x dito sa equation number 1 or dito, pares lang yan. Now we have y is equal to 18 minus x. The value of x is 5. Okay, so eksakto. 18 minus 5 is 13. So letter B, 5, 13. Okay, so next number 143. Robert is 15 years older than his brother Stan. However, Y years ago, Robert was twice as old as Stan. If Stan is now B years old and B is greater than Y, find the value of B minus Y. So, gawa lang ulit tayo dito ng table. Lagyan lang natin ng name nila. So, ano bang name nila dito? Robert daw, tsaka si Robert and Stan. Okay, so lagyan lang natin yung mga pangalan, Robert and Stan. Okay, so lalagay natin dito kung past, present, or future. So Robert is 15 years older than his brother Stan. However, Y years ago. So yun, meron tayong Y years may ago. So ibig sabihin, lagay tayo dito ng past. Okay, so past, and then Robert was twice as old as Stan. If Stan is now B years old. Ayan, so kailangan natin past and present. Okay, so past and present ang ating nasa table. Okay. So ang sabi, i-analyze na natin kung paano lalagyan ng mga numbers ito at variable. Robert is 15 years older than his brother Stan. Okay? So 15 years older daw si Robert, 15 years older. So mas mataas siya dito kay Stan. So however, Y years ago, Robert was twice as old as Stan. If Stan now is B years old, ayan. So say Stan daw, Stan is now B years old. So Stan, ang ilalagay nating variable ay B dahil yun ang nakalagay sa given. If Stan is now B years old, ayan. So therefore, si Stan ay B, si Robert ay magiging B plus 15. Kasi ang sabi, Robert is 15 years older. Ayun, 15 years older than his brother Stan. So ang present ages nila ay B plus 15, si Robert, and si Stan naman ay B. So ang sabi dito, however, Y years ago. So Y years ago. So Y years ago, ibig sabihin magsasubtract lang tayo ng Y sa present ages nila. So okay, so present ages nila ay B plus 15, subtract lang tayo ng Y. Si Stan ay B, subtract lang din tayo ng Y. Okay? So ayan, buuin na natin ng equation natin. However, Y years ago, Robert was twice as old. So Y years ago, dito yun manggagaling sa past. So si Robert daw was twice as old as Stan. Okay? So twice as old as Stan daw siya. So unahin natin. So word by word, isulat natin. However, Y years ago, ibig sabihin, ito yung past. Dito tayo sa column ng past titingin. So Robert's age, ano ba ang Robert's age? Ay ito yung Robert's age, B plus 15 minus Y. So B plus 15 minus Y. Ito yon, Robert. Was, yung was, so ibig sabihin ng was ay equal sign. Robert was twice as old. So twice as old, ibig sabihin nakamultiply sa 2. Twice, ayun. So yun yung 2. Twice as old as Stan, i-multiply natin yung age ni Stan na B minus Y. Okay? So yan na, find the value of B minus Y. So solve na lang natin yung B minus Y dito. Simplify natin to. So distribute muna natin itong 2. So we have B plus 15 minus Y equals 2 times B, we have 2B, and then 2 times negative Y, we have negative 2Y. So mabubuo na natin dyan yung value ng B minus Y. Pagsamahin natin yung B tsaka itong 2B by subtracting B to both sides. Okay? Subtract B to both sides. So we have 15 minus Y is equal to 2B minus B, that is equal to B minus 2Y. Okay? So ngayon i-add natin itong Y sa both sides. Add Y to both sides. Okay? So ayan na. Tapos na tayo dito. So 15 ang natira sa left equals B, and then we have 2Y negative 2y plus y that is equal to negative y. Na ito na yung hinahanap natin, find the value of b minus y. So therefore, the answer is 15, letter A. Okay, so letter A. So next number 144. JJ is 3 times as old as Jan Jan. 3 years ago, JJ was 4 times as old as Jan Jan. The sum of their ages is, ayan, so buuin natin ang ating gawa tayo ng table. So ang ilalagay natin sa table ay age ni JJ at saka ni Jan Jan. Okay? So ano ba ang nakalagay dito? JJ is 3 times as old as Jan Jan. So si JJ, mas matanda siya kay Jan Jan. 3 times as old as Jan Jan. So 3 years ago. So meron ditong 3 years ago. So ibig sabihin yan yung past. Tapos itong isa natin dito ay present. Okay, so past and present ang kailangan natin dito sa table natin. So ang sabi sa present ages nila, JJ is 3 times as old as Jan Jan. Mas matanda si JJ. So ibig sabihin si Jan Jan ililet natin na X. Tapos si JJ naman ay magiging 3X. Okay? Kasi sabi JJ is 3 times. 3 times as old as Jan Jan. X and 3X. So ang sabi 3 years ago. So paano yung expression sa 3 years ago? Just subtract 3 dito sa present ages nila. So ang past age ni JJ ay 3x minus 3. And then 3 years ago naman, past age ni Jan Jan ay x minus 3. Okay, so buuin natin dito. 3 years ago, dito manggagaling ang ating equation dito sa past. Ang sabi, JJ was 3 years ago. So dito manggagaling JJ. Age ni JJ. Anong age ni JJ? So that is 3x minus 3. And then was, ibig sabihin ng was ay equal sign. And then we have 4 times. Ayan. 4 times, ibig sabihin nakamultiply sa 4 as old as Jan Jan. So 4 times as old as Jan Jan. Ang age ni Jan Jan ay x minus 3. I-multiply lang natin sa 4. Okay, so ang tinatanong ay the sum of their ages. Okay? So sum ng ages ang hinahanap. I-solve muna natin yung x tsaka natin i-add. So solving for x, let's distribute 4. So we have, just copy this, 3x minus 3 equals 4 times x. We have 4x, 4 times negative 3, we have negative 12. Add, subtract 3x to both sides para makombine natin yung dalawang may x. So this will be 0. And then we have negative 3 is equal to 4x minus 3x, that is equal to x minus 12. So add 12 to both sides. So therefore, the value of x or the age of Jan Jan, so yan, age of Jan Jan is negative 3 plus 12 or 12 minus 3, that is equal to 9. So if x is equal to 9, then JJ's age or 3 times x is equal to 27. Tapos the sum of their present ages, so i-add lang natin ito, 27 plus 9, that is equal to 36. So the correct answer is letter D. Okay, so last number for this video, number 145. Okay, a girl is 1/3 as old as her brother and y years younger than her sister. The sum of their ages is 38 years. How old is the girl? So sa problem na ito, hindi natin kailangang gumawa ng table dahil wala namang nakalagay na past, present, or future. So may mga given lang. So mag-assign lang tayo ng mga variable dito siguro. So sabi a girl, ilet natin si X ay girl. Ayan, so yung mga karakter dito. A girl is 1/3 as old as her brother. So X si girl and then Y ang kanyang brother. And then meron pa dito 8 years younger than her sister. So let Z the age of her sister. Okay? So yan ang mga variable natin, X, Y, and Z. Okay, so buuin natin ang ating tatlong equation dito. So first equation natin, a girl is 1/3 as old as her brother. So mas matanda si brother niya kasi si girl daw ay 1/3. So paano ang equation nun? Ang equation nun ay Y, ang brother niya ay magiging 1/3 daw si girl. So therefore, si brother niya ay magiging Y equals 3X. 3 times. Okay, so ang brother niya ay Y equals 3X kasi 1/3 lang. A girl is 1/3 of her brother. So para maiwasan yung fraction, ang gagawin na lang natin Y equals 3X. Kasi pag si girl, pwede rin naman si girl, so magiging X is equal to 1/3. 1/3 ng kanyang brother, Y. So dito rin nanggaling yan. A girl equals 1/3 as old as her brother. So pag in-cross multiply natin or multiply both sides by 3, ito na yung kakalabasan yan. Y equals 3x. Okay? So dito na tayo sa y equals 3x para wala tayong walang fraction. So y equals 3x. So this will be our equation number 1. And then we have another, si girl pa rin ito. So girl is 8 years younger. 8 years younger than her sister. So ang age ni sister, so si sister, lagay natin z is equal to, so a girl is 8 years younger. 8 years younger daw. 8 years younger si girl. So therefore, ang kanyang sister na si z ay magpa-plus tayo ng 8. Okay? So magiging x plus 8. This will be equation number 2. So mas matanda kasi ang kanyang sister. Kaya mag-add tayo ng 8 kay girl, which is si x, si girl natin. And then we have last equation natin, the sum. Ayan. The sum of their ages is 38 years. So ang age daw ni girl, brother, and sister, we have x plus y plus z is equal to 38. This is equation number 3. So ang tinatanong, how old is the girl? Girl's age ang hinahanap natin. So x ang kailangan nating isolve. So si y and z i-express natin in terms of x. So therefore, isa-substitute lang natin na equation number 1 and equation number 2 dito sa equation number 3. So si y ay papalitan natin ng palitan natin ng 3x. Ayan, 3x ipalit natin dito kay y. And then si z naman ay palitan natin ng x plus 8. Ayan, so magiging in terms of x na lang tayo dyan. Okay, so let's solve. So we have x plus ang value ng y ay magiging 3x. Ang value naman ng z ay magiging x plus 8 equals 38. So just solve for x. So add lang natin itong tatlo. Meron niyang 1x plus 3x plus x. 1 plus 3 plus 1. So we have 5x plus 8 equals 38. Subtract 8 to both sides. So therefore we have 5x equals 38 minus 8. That is equal to 30. Last step, divide both sides by 5. So therefore, the value of x is 30 divided by 5. That is equal to 6. So girl is equal to 6 years old. The correct answer is letter C. Okay, so that's all. So thank you for watching and kita-kita tayo sa next na video natin, 146 to 150, age problem pa din. Okay, so good luck sa lahat ng nagre-review. Bye-bye and God bless.